It was before 20 years, Sunil Nandedkar started ShivamTech based out of Pune. So over all these years, he had many challenges in the beginning, and he is a man of metal, we can say, because after 5 years of his initial entrepreneurship journey, he got a fire in his office and everything got gutted. And from there, like a phoenix, he just changed himself, not just giving solutions in India. He gone to the global levels, and today ShivamTech is a very known name in the engineering, design, or anything related with digital manufacturing. And with a strong team of more than 250 people, he have taken a step to come and exhibit at Hannover Messe, and we are having the opportunity to meet him today at Hannover Messe. Sunil ji, welcome to Machinemaker.
Thank you.
So, how was your experience at Hannover Messe?
Yeah, experience is good. Huge response we got here actually, and so some of our customers also visited here, as well as a lot of visitors also visit here. And so we had interacted with some of the key members from the engineering as well as the industries from here, and we got a good opportunity here.
Sir, what are the major challenges these global companies are facing when it comes to the design, engineering, simulation?
So major challenges is basically the communication is from the Indian company to the overseas company, but for past 15 years we are working here and with the European customers as well as some US customers, and so now we are supporting to them.
Sir, as you are working for last 20 years, 2 decades you are in the market, you work a lot in the new product development. But the entire way of new product NPD have changed, right? Now you can simulate, you can do a lot of things in the digital manufacturing. So how this change have happened, how it is helping you as a company?
So earlier everything was the manual way as well as some engineering way. Now everything is in a digital way, and the time, so the duration of the new product development is very, very less currently. Earlier was huge, as well as the bigger duration was the new development, but now it's very, very less as compared to the earlier stage.
So when it comes to that, what are the major strengths you can say? What are your capabilities? What is ShivamTech's capabilities?
ShivamTech capabilities is mainly from the basic product design, then plant design, as well as some general engineering projects.
And what about your team? Like you have a strong team of 250 plus people?
We have a team of 250 plus team actually, and so the team is almost close to 15 plus of years experience, 15 to 20 years of experience, average our senior people, and they are supporting to our all global customers.
So now you travel to many countries, right? Not only to Germany, you travel to US and other companies. What is the changing trend in global manufacturing?
As I mentioned you earlier, so all this the digital manufacturing is, or as well as the automation is increased in the global manufacturing. Automation is increased at this moment.
And I think that is very advantage for
ShivamTech.
ShivamTech.
To ShivamTech as well as the industry also.
I would like to congratulate you for taking this big step to come to Hanover and showcase ShivamTech services here, and we wish you more success and more benefit in the coming days.
Thank you.